Can you hear me now, Hernando? Can you hear me now? I'm sorry. When that music go off, sometimes people can't hear me. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can anybody hear me? Okay, I'm glad. I'm sorry. Thank you for Hernando County, Florida, for letting me know. Okay. For those of you who have any questions, drop them down in the chat box. Good afternoon to you too, Hernando. Regarding your tax refund, don't forget this is the last week before tax season ends. Next week, I'll be giving away again the $50 gift card giveaway. So make sure you put down hashtag refunds down in the chat for those of you who are wanting to enter into this drawing. Now, I'm going to be sharing some more information regarding tax refunds today because people have been telling me that they wanted me to share letter 2645C. And I'm going to discuss that, and also going to discuss some more information as well, you guys. Okay, so if you could share out this on your pages, if on social media. I know I'm streaming live on LinkedIn, Facebook, and on YouTube. So share this out on your pages for those to bless other people as well. Now, I did a poll yesterday, you guys, on my channel on the community tab, because I wanted to see how many people updated yesterday. Because some people were saying in the Facebook groups that they did update. You guys, I'm gonna be going over that 60-day later. You know, I discussed actually, you guys, on the other videos. I gave y'all a heads up about those 60-day letters. I told you guys that what the IRS would do is give y'all 60 days, and some of you will come out of that 60 days and get your refund before that date. However, if you don't, they'll issue out another letter saying another 60 days. I gave you a heads up regarding that 60-day letter. I did that quickly to let y'all know what was going on, okay, regarding that. Somebody wanted me to share this, so I'm going to make sure I share it while I'm waiting on other people to enter in. You guys, I'm going to screen share. Well, hold on just a minute. Not going to be able to screen share that one. I'll screen share the IRS, but what I go over is that IRS letter 645C with you guys to let you know what's going on. A lot of people are saying they got IRS letter 2645C. Now, if you have any other letters besides this letter, I went over that in other videos. You can also watch those review letter videos in my playlist on my channel, and you'll see all the ones that I went over. Now, this, I'm going to discuss the IRS letter 2645C. The IRS needs time to review the documents you submitted. They're not big on stressing, about this. It's just they're letting you know that they need more information from you. The IRS sends letter 2645C to let you know they are waiting on information or need more time to review the information you or your representative sent. Some people said that they contacted the IRS and their employer did not send in information, so the IRS was unable to verify, so they're having to wait. You guys, so you will get certain letters to tell you certain things, okay? All right, let me go straight into the chat because I see they're coming, you guys. So let me let me go down in the chat. First of all, if you're new, you guys, if you haven't watched the channel, to watch more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I give new updates every week, giving you the new tax refund updates, and I will be all the way to the end of December like I did last year, okay? For those of you who don't update, because some people didn't get their refund last year in December, on December 2023. So I'll be doing it all the way to the end. Good afternoon. Okay. Question I filed injured spouse. How would I know what to look for on the transcript? It should show on your transcript. Some people are saying not applicable or certain things are not showing up, but hopefully it will show up and update for you guys soon, okay? And some people finally got information on their transcript. They were telling me yesterday they had nothing on it. They had not applicable. So if you don't see anything regarding, even if you got an injured spouse, then maybe it'll update hopefully this week, or if you're in that cycle 05, okay? Let's see. Hello, Joanna Clark. Okay, Terry said I got that wait another 60-day letter. Right, that's the wait. I was getting a heads up for those of you who've been watching my videos. I told you guys they would issue out. Some of you are saying you had the CP05 letter, and it was telling you up to 60 days. Some people said up to 10 weeks. You guys, and I was giving you an update that they will issue out another 60 days. Okay, that's how they did my son also. You guys, regarding it. When he was put on wait, he filed last year in February. He didn't get it into June. They told him they needed 60 days. And then when it was up, they sent another letter saying another 60 days. So they would do it. And it ended up being 120 days. Like some of you are commenting and letting me know. That's what they do, Terry. I don't know. They're not finished processing your return, or it's something about the information regarding your return. So they hold it and review it for more information, okay? Okay, you updated to the cycle code in a 05 to a 290 code, okay? 290. Let me see if I got my IRS codes pulled up. I try to have everything pulled up, but sometimes I don't have it on there. Let me see if I got my IRS codes, because I'm familiar with a good many of them. And then sometimes I have to go back and look at the IRS codes. Okay, you can still be putting information down in the chat, you guys, okay? Tax codes. Okay, let me look at these codes. I got the PDF. I have to look it up sometimes, you guys, because there's a lot of different codes. 290. You can still be putting it your questions and comments in the chat. Additional tax assessment. Okay, this is mean additional tax as a result of an adjustment. That's what it's telling me on here. Okay. It's an adjustment, a tax adjustment to your tax return. Hopefully it will update for you soon, okay? Okay, let me see. It should be at the bottom like everybody else is, Hernando. If you owe child support, I would definitely be calling on that tax offset number to see if you will receive a refund as well. But you should be seeing that on your at the bottom of it. Like most people scroll down and they see that 846 code when they get a refund and all the other codes that they received it and all that. You should be able to see it. Okay, let me see. Any more comments? Nine weeks, nothing. IRS agent said could not find my file. Wow, Clara. Wow. 9 weeks and nothing, and the IRS agent said could not find a file. I think that I'm not gonna say what I think about that agent. I can't. You can only go by what they're telling you. But I'm like, wow, could not find your file. Okay. Every time it gets closer to the end of tax season, and the IRS, the people taxpayers be contacting the IRS agents, and they be telling me some wild things that they hear from those agents. I will call back and try to get somebody else. Joanna Clark, I've been waiting since February the 2nd and no letters at all and nothing on my transcript. Yeah, somebody else, well, a good many people did not have an update on their transcript, and they've been seeing not applicable and no information. Some people are saying that their employer didn't send the information, and that's why they don't have that, and they're waiting for the IRS to review it and finish processing it. Joanna, it shows 0 on yours. I understand a good many people are not seeing anything on that transcript, and they're seeing zeros, not applicable. You guys, if you're in cycle 05, hopefully this week, this Friday, it will update for you guys. Okay. I was going in the cycles that yesterday I did that transcript for those in that different cycles who fall up in it to see if they transcript updated, because I see some people say that they got a due date, you guys, of the 12th. A lot of people got a date of the day, which is the 10th. And if you are watching, if you got your refund date, let me know in the chat as well. But some people received yesterday, they received a due date of the 12th. Okay, on that transcript, the one that updated yesterday. But if you're in 05 cycle, you're not gonna update, you guys, until Friday. Okay. Any more questions? Okay, I went over the letter that somebody asked about. So right now, what I'm gonna do is also put the new releases up here, and then you can still be commenting in. This is April the 10th. It means the IRS just put this on the website, you guys, on irs.gov. Hopefully, soon after tax season, we will be seeing how many tax returns that the IRS has to go regarding the ones this year, the one last year, and then the amended tax returns. But high income filers are vulnerable to illegal tax schemes, face risk from improper donations. I went over that last week. People were about charity and all that. Be careful of fraud and scams and all that, you guys. And also the people trying to tax preparation companies to trying to get you to file that employee retention credit. I went over that last week. Okay, let me see. Yes, Lisa. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. It's been 120 days in review, but I'm just waiting it out. I understand, Lisa. Yeah, that's all you can do right now. And we're getting to be at the end of tax season, is gonna slow even more down for some people. I try to give people a heads up of what's going on and let you guys know so that you will be aware of all of that. Okay. Hopefully soon that you will hear something, but a good many people are actually getting they was in that 60 days and then they're getting another 60-day letter. It happened the same way last tax season, you guys. Right, I hope so too for you, Joanna. Okay, I heard in another source that the computer did not push the files for processing. IRS is aware of the issue and working on the issue. I hope they are working on it, Clara, and I hope they do get it completed regarding that. A lot of taxpayers are waiting. The IRS is warning tax pro businesses to be cautious of ongoing attacks to the taxpayer information. Also, special Saturday. Okay, I want to go over this to you guys. For those of you who've been waiting, I know you may not want to hear about the special Saturday, but I'm going to share this with you guys. Okay. Special Saturday help available April the 15th at 70 IRS Taxpayer Assistance Centers nationwide. No appointment is needed. So for those of you who saying that you couldn't get an appointment, this is why I'm sharing this with you guys, okay? Because now they're saying you don't need an appointment. You can just walk in, you guys. So walk in April the 13th, if you need help to a nearby location to you guys to help you regarding your tax return, instead of booking an appointment like they said before, you can actually walk in. So that is good. Okay. Thank you, Clara. Clara says January filers are affected by computer error. So those of you who filed in January, you guys, Clara is letting us know from what the IRS said that she heard that January filers are affected by a computer error. And somebody else in one of the other live chats said something similar. But I'm glad that you shared this. So this let me know that she wasn't the only one, you guys, to share that. So for those of you who need help, April the 13th, you don't need an appointment. Some of you talking about you have to wait to May. They're saying as of the April the 15th, they update this on April the 8th. Tax filing deadlines near. The Internal Revenue Service today announced it will open. Okay, we know about the 70 taxpayer assistance centers from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. But some of you had trouble trying to get appointments. Now you can be able to do face-to-face with IRS employees, one nearby you, wherever it's closest to you. You can go to irs.gov and find the closest location, the office, and try to walk in there. And hopefully the lines will not be as long as they were before. You guys, it says before traveling to the office, the IRS encourages everyone to visit the event page, IRS face-to-face help to get current information. The IRS notes representatives cannot accept cash payments during the special Saturday openings, and tax return preparation is not available for those of you who are trying to do free file. You can go to IRS face-to-face help and get more information regarding it, okay? And they have more information. So we see April 13th and May the 18th are the days that they have it, and they go by your state. They got Alabama alphabetical order all the way down. Some of them have more than one. Some of them have one. But my advice, if you can, go to the one nearest to you guys, okay? Nearest to you. And then they'll have another opening again on May. Let me scroll down. May the 18th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And some places have the Thursdays too. Some people have Thursday open. Tuesdays and Thursdays as well, you guys, for those of you who are interested. Make sure you have your current government issued photo identification number, your social security number, any IRS letters or notices are received and related documents. If you plan to request identity verification service, taxpayers must bring 2 forms of identification as well, you guys. So I want to let you know that as well. Okay. During the visit, IRS staff may also request from you a current mailing address or proof of financial account information as well, you guys. So I want you to be aware of that. Now, let me see. Again, if you haven't already, put in hashtag refund and enter in this drawing. I'm gonna be giving it away next week, you guys, live. The winner will be announced. You're gonna take you're gonna have to, if you watch, I recommend that you show up to watch the live video, because I'm giving you up to 3 days, 72 hours to respond. If you don't respond to the video, you guys, then I'm gonna have to pull another name for somebody else that's in that drawing. So make sure that you pay attention to your name regarding your channel name regarding that. But I'm gonna have to need your legal name when you're sending you this card, and also you're gonna have to be in the United States, the winner, okay? To be eligible for this drawing, you have to put in hashtag refund. It's gonna be given away next week, the last day of tax season. Somebody said, Humbert to Vegas said, nothing for me yet. January the 31st, and so he said, I gave up. Don't give up, you guys. Keep going and keep pushing, okay? You may have to walk away and get your mind on other things, but don't give up on your tax refund. Somebody said, what if I have codes 570 and 971? That's a review. That's a whole code, and a letter should be sent to you, okay? Okay, this is true. That was from yesterday. I have a 971 and 977 code now. She was letting me know that she was glad that she saw something on there, because she did not have anything on her transcript. Okay. Hashtag refund. Hashtag refund. Let me put it on the screen. All you gotta do is put hashtag refund down in the comments of my live YouTube videos to enter the drawing. It's just that simple. And you'll be entered into the drawing automatically. I'm gonna be putting, there's a bunch of people already in there already. They've been watching it all through tax season. They putting hashtag refund. So all you have to do is enter into that drawing, and then you'll get your name in it. I know it's been hard. I know it's been hard hanging in there, Terry, but continue to hang on. I understand. I get it, you guys. Somebody said yesterday, that was she. Yeah, I read hers yesterday. She said that she had called the IRS and got through the phone with a lady, and she told me that one of my employers I was employed with have not turned in a verification for income. Now they're talking about another 60 days. Yeah. See, some of the IRS are needing more information from you and your employer. So that's the reason why you're getting that letter, okay? And I was trying to explain that to her. Okay, some of you may be in that same situation. The IRS just have to verify information from your employer. Hashtag refund like this. I'm gonna put it in the chat. You see hashtag refund, Joanna? That's how you put it. It's on the screen with the hashtag refund on the green. That's what it looks like to enter into the drawing. Okay, let's see. Any more questions and any more comments? I was waiting to see was Shannon gonna show up, because he had said that he had got a new job. He might be busy today, though. Might be busy regarding that. Let me go to the Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yeah, another option, you guys, for people to get face-to-face help outside of the normal operating hours is to visit before or after regular operating hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There's some people have other days besides that day that I shared with you guys on Saturdays. They have Tuesdays and Thursdays. So extended their office hours on these days until April the 16th. You guys, so make sure that you go to irs.gov, you guys, and check regarding more information, and also regarding the Saturday hours. And don't forget, you don't have to schedule an appointment. If you're just now coming in. You've been having to get an appointment with those places that you visit to get face-to-face help. Now that they're saying you don't have to do that you can just walk in. So that's good for you guys, that you don't have to worry about waiting way to May. Some of you said that they said you have to wait to May. So if you find a location that is close to you, make sure that you go and check it out. Okay, I know some of the lines could be, some people are telling me, have told me that the lines be out the door. Okay, but hang in there, you guys. Be patient, and hopefully that your refund will update for you soon. For the person who contacted me yesterday regarding going over the 2645C letter, I went over that in the beginning of this video. You're gonna have to go back and watch the video concerning that. Okay, but those of you who are receiving those 60-day more days, they did the same thing last year. Even though this may be your first time experiencing, a lot of taxpayers last year faced the same thing. They was giving them 60 days, and then when that was up, 60 more days, and then some people got even more 60. I know y'all don't want to hear that. You're not ready to hear about a third letter being 60 days, but some people didn't get that. And some people never did get their refund in 2023. There's some of them are still waiting on their refund, and some of them have got their refund this year, but they didn't get the refund from last year. And I'm not talking about amended returns. I'm talking about the regular with the tax return from last year, the refund, they didn't get it. So it's a lot of you that are in the same boat. I've been sharing about the congressman, you guys. Tax season again ends next Monday. I would definitely reach out to my congressman. Some people are saying, why do I have to reach out? You do not have to reach out. This is just information that I'm sharing with you guys to help you regarding that. Okay. Hi, Dallas. Welcome back. Let's see what Dallas got to say. Okay. Dallas, then all of a sudden, the IRS agent now told me yesterday my 10 weeks is tomorrow, and I should get an update for my transcript and WMR tomorrow. That's great. They told me my return is now out of the IRS department and now being processed. That's good. Dallas was one of the ones that I shared on the channel about the congressman, and he went ahead and did it. And now hopefully this week his will update. So based on the information he shared with us, we're hoping that it updates and then he gets his refund. Thank you so much, Dallas. Then all of a sudden, for sharing all the information that you have shared with us on this channel, because you are helping other people. And also when you get your refund, even after you stop watching or you're busy doing anything else, you're helping people all the way to the end of this year. You don't realize it, because some people watch my videos that have never watched this video before all through the year. So they will see you and understand that they had the same situation and what to do. Thank you for sharing all the information that you have shared. And I look forward to seeing when you get your due date. You've been waiting for a while. Hi, okay, I hope so. Every Friday is hopeful until I check it. I know, Terry. Until you check it, then I just try to have hope again. That's all we can do is have hope. Hello, Shannon. Okay, Shannon. Remember you told me you want me to play that music for you? You want me to play that music for you, Shannon, because you said you had a new job? Are you ready for the music? Let me see what, say yes in the chat if you're ready. Let me see what Dallas, hopefully I'll keep you posted. Yeah, keep us posted. Let us know, okay? Shannon, are you ready for the music? You got 2 new jobs. Woo! You're working, Shannon. You're working. Okay, let me put on that music. He told me on my other channel, you guys, he attended the live video on my other channel that I did on another about a review letter, and he told me about I put the music on, he got a job. So I make sure that I do what he had asked me to do. Let me see. Give me a minute. I'm gonna play it for you, okay? I usually play this music. We get money over here for those who get a tax refund. Shannon has been waiting a while for his refund, and I'm just gonna celebrate him on his. Also, you guys, I'll tell you when the music go off. All right, Shannon, you get money over there. Congratulations to you, Shannon, on your 2 jobs. That's great. That is great. And also, let you guys know that I'm going to be having classes and coaching coming up after Thanksgiving, as well as giving y'all a new tax refund update about helping people with investing, you guys, making more money, ways to make more money. We're going to talk about more than just taxes. We'll talk about business, finance, and building wealth. Hopefully the video did not pause. Yeah, it's been pausing. Can you hear me? Yeah, it was messing up. It was messing up, Corey. Can you hear me, guys, now? Okay, you working at TJ Maxx in Academy Sports. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. Hey. Glad you liked it, Shannon. We get money over here. I know that's right. Just besides tax refund money. That's good to get tax refund money besides that. You're welcome, Shannon. Sharquila Lane. I hope I said it right, okay? Still saying processing, no code, no date. Hopefully it will update for you soon, your Sharquila, okay? Check back this Friday. My sound is bad. That's because it froze for a minute there, Corey, okay? Yeah, I'm down for investing. Yeah, I invest. Yeah, investing is very important. People don't know how important it is. It definitely changed your life, changed mine. Designer Me said, congratulations, Shannon. Everybody congratulating you. Okay. Thank you all. Now, if I can get Uncle Sam to do right. Well, until you get Uncle Sam to do right, at least you know you're going to be getting money over there. Okay. Sharquila Lane, I did it on February 10th, still saying process, no code, not alcohol. It's a good many people are in the same boat as you, Sharquila. Hopefully it will definitely update for you soon. Yes, yes. Yes, I can hear you clearly. Yeah, it froze, Corey. Yes. Okay. I'll be sharing it next week, you guys. I've been had the Shining Lights Academy, the courses and the coaching that's for tax preparers, but I'm gonna do and then small businesses. But I'm gonna do more, okay? And we get money over here. We're gonna be getting money because I'm gonna be helping people with not just starting small business, but investing, you guys. When you start investing and saving and doing all those things that you do, you'll see your life change. It definitely changed my life once I started investing and learning how to do it consistently. You got to be very serious about it. Like your life depends on it. And once you do that, you're going to see more income in your life, not having to depend on tax refunds. Nothing wrong with a tax refund. Don't get me wrong. It's extra money to pay bills. But who would like having more money but just size the tax refund throughout the year? You won't even have to worry about so much your tax refund because you got money. Okay, why they delay my taxes for 10 weeks? Good question. Did you get a letter? Big superstar. Did you get a letter? Did you get a CPO 5 letter? Did you get a letter in the mail like everybody else? Because most people who got the letters, when they give you a letter, they let you know why they delay your taxes. Or you may just have it on the WMR and they're saying that you're delayed. You got to contact the IRS to find out why they have delayed your taxes. You're welcome, Sharquila. Amen. Yeah, they're gonna give you some extra money, girl. Let me tell you also, for those of you, those who had to wait last year, they never did get their refund after tax season. What happens is you do not get your money after tax season, you guys. The interest, they're gonna give you more money. Yeah, after tax season, if you haven't updated, so some of y'all who have been waiting on your money and you don't get it during tax season, it's after tax season. Yeah, the IRS do owe you some money. You will be getting a little bit more money on your refund than you expected. So yeah, if you get it after tax season is over with, the interest, the longer you wait, the more money they're going to be adding on to your refund. Yes, I understand, big superstar. It's a lot of people. That's why I did the poll, because I just wanted to see how many people have updated and got due dates and got their refund. And I'm seeing it still is a lot of people who haven't got it. Even if I know some of you probably in the groups like me on Facebook, on social media sites to see anybody, where's my refund group, just to see how many people got it. And you noticing there's a lot of people seeing not applicable, they're not getting a due date. They still waiting, just like you guys. Some of them still getting CPO 5 letters. They're hearing different things from IRS representatives. So know that you're not alone. And yes, if it's the end of tax season and you hadn't got your refund, you still will get one. Hopefully, you guys, if you filed an accurate tax return and nothing wrong with it, you will get it. And when you get it, you will get interest. Now that's after tax season, okay? Interest is being added the longer you have to wait to get your money. Yeah, they're supposed to. Big superstar. You get interest. Yeah, for real. They supposed to pay us extra if they late. Is that a real thing? It's a real thing. After tax season it is. Yes, you get interest. So I know it's tough for you guys waiting, but for those of you who have to wait a long time, yeah, your refund gonna be a little bit more than what you expected if you have to wait a long time after tax season. Yes, true story. True story. The IRS will owe you some interest, more money. Any more comments? Any more questions? Any more hashtag refunds to enter into that drawing? Now, you guys, the last day is April 15th. When I go live that Monday, I will announce the winner once again, you guys. So make sure you get your entry in. It doesn't cost you anything. That's where's my refund group, you guys, but it doesn't cost you anything for this, you guys, to just put down hashtag refund to be entering the drawing. A lot of people have already did it. They already got their entry in. Definitely will mail it out to you. Expect from when you let me know 5 to 10 business days, you will receive that card. All right, you guys. And you gotta have a United States address and your legal name. I have to have that information as proof that I sent it to you guys. Okay. Yes, last year it was 45 days after deadline, and they gave me an extra 100. Look at that. Y'all see Shannon? Shannon said he got an extra $110, big superstar. Yes, I shared that last year with people that was waiting. I mean, you guys, imagine the ones who had to wait all the way to December. Shannon said he waited. When did you get yours, Shannon, last year? You told me, I had forgot. He said an extra 45 days after the deadline, he got $110. That's good money. That's good money. Big Superstar said, amen. I pray we all get a couple of big bands in the chat. I know that's right. Get money. Okay. I need an extra $1,000. Hold on just a minute, you guys. Let me put this on just a minute. I had to do this just a minute. Hold on just a minute. I'm moving my... Okay. Big Superstar said, I need an extra $1,000. We could all use an extra $1,000. I know I can use an extra $1,000. May the 24th. Wow, Shannon. Yeah, he had to wait 45 days, he said. And he got that, like I said, that $110, that's good money. That's real good money. Anybody else had to wait last year? Is this the first time for some of you waiting? Is this the first time for everybody having to wait, side Shannon? Let me know in the chat. So Big Superstar, we all could use an extra $1,000. I know I can use it. Get over here to me. I need some of that. Any more questions and comments, you guys? Hopefully this Friday, everybody will update. That's in the cycle 05. And the next one will be next week on the 17th. It's probably be I told you guys it could be the 15th, the 17th, or the 19th. The new due dates, but most of the time it be the Wednesday. So I always say like the 17th, the new refund updates for next week. And hopefully again on Friday on the 12th, a lot of you who haven't already updated or haven't seen anything on your transcripts, start seeing them. For those of you who are having problems with your employers not sending in the information to the IRS and they have to verify it, make sure you reach out to your employer. Yeah, I need an extra. Yeah, we all could use an extra man. I know that's right. Hi, Joanna Clark. Okay. First time waiting. Okay. It's a good many people this year, their first time. But for those who did attend my first live video in 2024 in January, I told you guys, for those of you who did not verify last year, you probably going to have to verify. I knew the IRS going to be a little strict this year than they usually be, you guys. It was going to be changes because they was doing a lot of changes for us tax preparers. So I figured for the tax preparers, that y'all would have to verify and there'll be a little bit more waiting for you guys than usual. So at least you know, hopefully that next year you won't go through this, but if you don't went through it one time, you'll pretty much know if you have to ever go through it again. Anybody else with any comments or question in the chat? Next week, I will be live on, let me see, Friday, I will be live because I always try to see the transcripts. Friday, I'll be live on IRS Tax Services LLC. I'll be live on here. This was Shannon was on me on last week. I went live sharing information with me. Him and somebody else was on there. But yeah, I go live on this channel as well, and this channel does belong to me. So I'll be live Friday checking the transcripts, and I have to go to the other channel as well. You guys to check for other updates. People be commenting on that channel as well. Yeah. Are you in that 60 days, Shannon? Or they told you no? They told you a long wait. They told you a long wait. I forgot you had told me. You told me you had to wait a good while because you had a lot of going on with your tax return. Oh yeah, I had forgot for a minute there, but I'm quickly reminding you guys. But I'll be checking on you guys on Friday to see if your transcripts update. I will share the video down on my community tab to let you know how to attend on this channel for those of you who are new. 120, okay. Hold on just a minute. Holiness or Hell Street Ministries. Thanks, Miss Linda. I'm going on 55 days with nothing, but it's going to be up to 60 days, right? Up to 60 days, and hopefully you won't get another letter. I hope it updates, because some people are getting another 60 days, and they telling me, Miss Likely, it's not a 60 days, it's 120. There's a lot of them, they'll come back on the channel and come and let me know. You're welcome. Yes. Okay. All right. Last week I shared information. Somebody had shared a number that you can contact somebody, and I don't know if I still got that in the chat. I don't, but I have to put it down below this video as well, you guys. Okay, for the classes that coming up, I'm going to discuss this a little bit. It's going to be on the live portal, you guys, the live.faceta.com/site/IRS This is after tax season for those who want to attend my classes. I've been having classes and coaching and courses for a while. The tax preparer courses for those who want to be tax prepared is on Shining Lights Academy. You can Google me Dr. Linda Likely on Google, and you should see all my social media sites. You should see my podcast. You should see my books under Linda Likely, but you also gonna see Shining Light, Dr. Linda Likely Shining Lights Academy. That's where you're probably gonna most likely that I'm probably gonna put the classes under right now. But I got some more changes that's going on as well, you guys. So you're gonna see my podcast on there, and then I'm trying to pull up the other things that you should be able to see. You guys, give me a minute on the screen. But you still have any questions, let me know while I'm doing all this. Let me see. Okay. But all you have to do is Google me, and you should be able to see my podcast. I'm available on 22 podcast directory, like Apple, Spotify, all those, the popular ones. You should see it. And then the Academy, again, it's all teachable. You should be able to see it. If I can't put it up right now, I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff on here, you guys. I have to go through a lot trying to find it. But you can, the class is on live.vacita.com/site/bygrace tax, which is a live portal. But for the academy, for the coaching and the courses and even the classes, they're also going to be on Shining Lights Academy. All you got to do is Google me. So I just want to let you guys know that. I was hoping I can get to it. That's the podcast. And anything else, you guys, regarding your refunds, though? That's what I'm on here about. That's what I'm on here for. While I'm waiting. Texas. Okay, this is the live portal where you see where people schedule appointments. That's where you schedule appointment, and then also the classes will be available on here as well for those who want classes. But the coaching and courses are available as well on the academy. Let me see. I have all the information right. It goes in one place. All you got to do is scan it, because I have my books. I have the courses. Yeah, the last tab you should see at the bottom. Let me move that banner. Yeah, you should be able to go here. You see that QR code on there, your code on there, and it will take you to the website, my website, Dr. Linda Likely website, or you can also go to Bygrace Tax Service to schedule appointment. Also to the books, because I'm an Amazon author, for those of you who don't know, and then the academy. So you can actually watch, shop, schedule, or enroll in Shining Lights Academy. Okay. Let me see if there's any more comments, and then if not, you guys, I look forward to you on Friday. Okay. Shannon said, my return due date and return receipt date still is April 15th. Will it update? I hope so, Shannon. We're going to see, okay? We're going to see if it updates. So that's next. That's the last day of tax season. So I hope it does. Okay. Any more questions? If not, you guys, hopefully that you will attend the live video on Friday, and your transcripts update for those of you who have been watching. And again, somebody shared with me they was glad to get codes because they didn't have anything on the transcript. So long as it updates, that's a good thing, you guys, so we can know where you can go from there. Okay. So, okay, y'all be blessed, and I hope all of you get your tax refund soon.